What's up, it's your boy CJ here, back with you to another video. Today we're not doing a vlog, but instead we're gonna be doing a tech review. Specifically, we're gonna be doing a review of the Hammerhead V2 PRO. Now, as usual, you're gonna be the box you're gonna be having is your standard green for RAZER. Now, straight away into the box, you're gonna open it up, and it has a Velcro on it, which is a good thing. And out of the box, you can see the gloriness of the Hammerhead. And now, in this paperwork, you got the manual and a couple of documentations and a couple of stickers. Nice green RAZER stickers. Next up, we're gonna be taking a look at the case, I believe. Here we have a hard shell case. It comes in handy, which is quite handy in case you want storage. Inside, you're gonna be seeing your audio splitter. And we're seeing your audio splitter for those of you who are using for PCs. And it's a nice addition. Thanks to RAZER for giving us these for this. Most company won't be giving you any of these, by the way. Just to say, it's nice for RAZER to actually give us. Next up, we have a small package of what I believe to be earbuds. There's a couple of sizes in them. RAZER threw in a couple for us. I think it was 8, I believe. We'll get to that in a bit. Next, hang on, let me try to put this somewhere. Alright, now we're gonna go to the Hammerhead, to the earphones themselves. These, by the way, this is not a paid promotion. So I bought this at a retail store. So yeah, not a paid promotion by RAZER, but anyway, of any case, anyway, out of the box, give me a minute. This is taking some time to take it out. As usual, RAZER does the very good packaging. So yeah, I'm not expecting any less. And to the extent that she piled the entire thing at the back, which is abnormal. Not many companies do it anymore. Sorry, I have flu, so it's actually coiled up and proving to be quite a fuss, actually. Quite a fuss. So yeah, you gotta give me a minute while I uncurl this. Yeah, this is a pain. Oh my god. Shit. Almost there. Almost got it. Hang on, give me a minute. Got the nice green there though. Entire throughout the cable. This is a really long cable. I did not expect it to be this long, by the way. I did not I researched into this, but I never really researched into how long it would be. And surprisingly, long cables can be a good thing. It can be a good thing. Depending on who you are, anyway, and what you do it for. And now let's just put this back into the case. And Velcro it back, and here we have our earphones and the rest of our products all together on the same package. I'm trying to arrange this as best as I can. This is my second review, by the way, so you gotta cut me some slack. So just out of the box, I can say that RAZER has been very generous with what they're giving. And here we have our earphones themselves. Give me a minute. Let me get this focus. Alright. This is an aluminum encased 10mm dynamic drivers in them, which quite frankly is quite good, by the way. I tried these on and I gotta say they're really bass heavy. They're bass heavy and they have clear vocals. Clearly a good pointer up there for anyone who want to upgrade from a usual phone. Next up, we focusing problem. Sorry, give me a minute. This we have the inline mic and volume control button. So and this is only available for the Pro version, by the way. not for the normal V2s. And there we have the nice Razer logo. Yeah, and next up we have the zip tie thingy. Yeah, you know the part where you kind of pull up. Yeah, the zip tie thingy. I just call it the zip tie thingy. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, if any of you guys know what it is, just comment down below and help me out with it. Thanks. So yeah, very nice, very nice. By the way, did I happen to mention this flat cable? Oh yeah, here we have some documentations, you know, for warranty and stuff. I wouldn't recommend you to cut it off, but yeah. And here we have a fine example of tangle free, I guess. And here we have the Razer. Yeah, this is what makes me laugh. This is the 3.5mm right angle audio jack. The fact that it's all right angle, the part that really got me riled up, by the way. It's really just weird for me. Anyway, probably designed for the laptop series. Anyway, next up we have the earbuds, the pack of earbuds we got just now. Yeah, very nice packaging, very smooth packaging. It's a little weird. It's not your usual plastic. It's more a smooth surface. Yeah. Give me a minute. Let me open it up. Yeah. Almost got it. And yeah, well. Yep, got it. And inside they gave us three pairs, or three different sizes for small, medium, and large. It comes with a double layered one. I don't know what it's called, but it's the double layered tip. So yeah. Next up, we have the audio splitter. On focusing problem. I'm really sorry about this. Anyway, we have the audio splitter for PC. You see red and green. You know, for all of you PC enthusiasts out there. It's a good choice. Gives you audio splitter right there. Anyway, yeah. Next up, we have the case. Hard shell case, very nice, very solid. You can see a reflection up there. Has a small pocket there for you to store stuff. Very nice, very ergonomic, very compact, I could say, and very lightweight too. It's not like your usual heavy type. It's like, I say, cardboard part, I guess. I don't know. That just says durable. You can store your earphones there, and you can clearly see that it sticks nicely in my head. I use the medium-sized tips, and yeah, you see me jumping around. I'm jumping around, rolling my head like harshly like an idiot right here. You can see that it's not coming out at all. It's not coming out at all. It's clearly stuck in there, and it's just nice. The green kind of attracted quite a bit of attention. It's not something I would prefer, so yeah. Anyway, I've been using headphones for about 2 weeks now. By this point, it's about 2 weeks, and I would say that they are very bass heavy. Not very, but it just has that soft spot for more to bass. It's not very heavy. It's just more to bass side. It has clear vocals, and it's very nice, very ergonomic. I wear it. It's very comfortable. It's very long, and it serves its purpose to me. So I definitely recommend you guys to those who ever want to upgrade from their usual earphones, and those who looking for not too expensive and not too cheap, I would say. Yeah, I would say they're cheap. I wouldn't say they're too expensive. If I were you, I would go for the Hammerhead V2 PRO, because that inline volume control and mic just makes a hell of a difference. I don't understand why they charge for it. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I guess that's a wrap up for this review, and subs if you love it, thumbs up if you like it, subs if you love it, and it's your boy CJ here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.